Hi guys, good morning. It's my day off. Si Marie pumunta ng work until 8 PM daw siya today. So, yan. But before I start cooking, I want to clean the house first. Cook a simple chicken adobo. Total may egg tayong pinapakuluan. Masarap din kasi ang adobo pag may boiled egg. So, let's just cook adobo. I'm just gonna cut some garlic. Okay guys, I'm gonna cut the chicken. Cut that one. Remove the excess skin fat. Wings, backbone. We have our chicken. Ako maglalagay ng sibuyas. Just cooking on it. Like natin. Rice, almost done. Lagyan natin yung bawang. Later. Cook perfect! Turn off na natin yan. Ako ng pepper and then magic sarap. Close it. Finish na yung eggs. So, i-add na natin itong egg para ma-absorb niya ang saka sauce. So, ganun. Ayaw na kayo i-mix para dili mabungkag ang itlog. Done na guys!